folks, how the devil are you? No, I'm not oil burner. Where are we? Yeah, we got to cut the top of that one. That's going to fit in that one. So. This is not the right hole yet. We haven't decided where we're going yet, but that's pretty good there. Bit of grinding maybe. Nothing on a big ship. That's in there now. That's in there like that. Okay. I'll show you. That's fucking heavy. My ball bag is big enough. Tried but you failed. Pipe in now, so that's in and it's completely sealed, so whatever I put in there can't leak anywhere, so we're happy with that. So yeah, stay tuned, it's going to be fun if nothing else, isn't it? Well, I got it flat because we are building a top for this one. a bit of tackle. So I'm completely now sealing that in. We'll shift that over in a minute. She's not dead centre yet. But, well, I filled it with builder sand. And if that didn't work, I was going to fill it with metal filings. So that seems to be working quite well. I mean, if we take a reading on the inside of the shell, we're not getting an awfully lot. Right, that's the top. What I done, look, is I shoved sand in there. It's gonna shrink down, obviously. So you gotta poke it in there. Tap it, poke it, tap it, poke it. Bet you heard that before, haven't you? Oh, there you are. I don't know if you can see under there. In there. And there. That goes on there. Works perfectly. We need some oil for the next burn. Well, it's getting bigger. It's an hour now, so let's go and have a nonji. Oh. I put some sand in there just to dry out. Yeah, gee. So the sand does work. I'm quite happy with that. That's a cheap way out, and it works. You can see it works. This is an hour later and it's still holding its heat. Still not happy with the oil flow. So I might have to go back to the drawing board, and we might have to go up to a 15mm maybe. But you know, it was working, and as you see, it definitely worked. Hopefully now the next couple of videos will be casting. And now it's nearly all done, everything's done, so we can get on with it. And thanks. It's been a long trip. Who's that for?